Once, a shepherd approached Guha Nama Shivaya and cried, saying thus, "My goat has expired. It was the only source of my livelihood. I made my living by selling its milk. Now how shall I live?" Guha Nama Shivaya touched the goat and brought it back alive. The shepherd felt very happy and spread this word in the town. After listening to this incident, some mischievous guys dressed a live person as a corpse, took him to Guha Nama Shivaya, and enacted sorrow. They pleaded with Guha Nama Shivaya to bring back the corpse alive. Guha Nama Shivaya said, "The dead ones are gone, they cannot be brought back alive. One has to be very cautious while dealing with a Gyani. The anger of a Gyani is as intense as his grace." The dummy corpse turned out to be an actual corpse. The mischievous lads did not understand what to do and took back the corpse. Guha Nama Shivaya was overcome with anger. He felt, "This Thiruvannamalai may not contain many devotees, but the people here are getting ready to test even the devotees." Thinking thus, when he was about to curse that the entire Thiruvannamalai gets destroyed, Lord Arunachala appeared before him in a human form and said, "Guha Nama Shivaya, don't forget that even I exist in this place." Thus Guha Nama Shivaya got pacified and cooled down.
शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः
शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः अण्णामलये करुवाय अभयं अभयम् अरुणाचलये दीन्ताळ शरणं शरणम्
शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः
शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः अण्णामलये करुवाय अभयं अभयम् अरुणाचलये दीन्ताळ शरणं शरणम्
शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः
शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः अण्णामलये करुवाय अभयं अभयम् अरुणाचलये दीन्ताळ शरणं शरणम्
शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः
शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः अण्णामलये करुवाय अभयं अभयम् अरुणाचलये दीन्ताळ शरणं शरणम्
शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः ॐ शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः ஓம் சிவாய நமः